Hi there, I'm Candace Toscano, realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty and interior designer with Toscano Interiors. If you're thinking about downsizing, you've probably heard about the 55 plus communities and might be wondering if they're the right fit for you. So let's dive into what makes these communities special and why they could be exactly what you've been looking for. So now, I don't want you to get the wrong idea. These communities aren't just for those needing extra care. In fact, they can be incredibly lively and full of energy. And many people choose to move to a 55 plus community because they want to be around others who are in the same exciting chapter of life. According to US News, the terms 55 plus community, active adult community, lifestyle communities, and planned communities all refer to a setting that caters to the needs and preferences of adults over the age of 55. And these communities are designed for seniors who are able to care for themselves, but maybe looking to downsize to a community with others their same age and with similar interests. So if this is resonating with you, here's something else to think about. Your options are growing. The number of listings for homes in these communities has shot up by over 50% compared to last year. And that's according to 55places.com. So not only do you have more choices, but you also have a better chance at finding a home that's just right for your needs. But that's not all. There actually are some fantastic benefits that come with choosing this type of community. So one is lower maintenance living. So you can say goodbye to mowing the lawn or pulling weeds because many of these 55 plus communities handle all the upkeep for you. So you can spend your time doing what you love. You've got more on-site amenities, whether it's a clubhouse, fitness center, spa. These communities are packed with amenities that keep you active and, of course, entertained. You'll also get like-minded neighbors. You'll find clubs, outings, meetups galore, and making it really easy to build those lasting connections. And then, of course, let's not forget the accessible floor plans. These homes are designed with you in mind. So think first floor living. You've got ample storage, modern layouts that fit your lifestyle. It's great. So exciting, right? Okay, so here's something you won't want to miss. I've got a new listing coming on the market very soon in the desirable Mirada 55 plus community here in the San Antonio, Wesley Chapel area of Florida. This area is known for the country's largest lagoon. So if you've been looking for the perfect place to call home, this could be the one. So stay tuned for more details on that. But if this sounds like the community you've been dreaming of, and you're not in the Wesley Chapel area, but you're in the Tampa Bay area, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you find the perfect 55 plus home that matches your lifestyle and needs. So let's make this next chapter the best. And give me a call or drop me a message today. Remember, finding the perfect home isn't just a place, it's a feeling. Let's find that for you together. Thanks for watching.